Yep, that's a lot of info, all right. Tells you all about it. Isn't that keen? That's what you can expect when you get here. Ooh, the Valley of Fire. May see some goats. Doubtful. It could happen though. What's the displays? Protect this place. Interesting. And on in this way. Nice. Lots more diagrams. Cool stuff. Lots of traffic. Oh, there it is there. Lots of traffic.
Take a picture of here for the house.
Bridge greatness. Kind of cool. About to go inside of it here shortly. So yeah, there it is. You don't get an idea of how big it is until you see the car, little bitty cars going across the top. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Right up on this bridge, it's noisy. Neat though. It's worse than going through TSA. I mean, I got a little knife. It's like an inch long, and it's they confiscated it because it was on my key ring. It's that kind of slot. It looks like a key. When you unfold it, it's got a little blade on it. They don't let you bring it in here. I guess there's been a problem with it in the past. Seriously?
Ways to tame the Colorado through the engineering skills of the Bureau of Reclamation. But with 7 states disputing how much of the river's water each could claim, construction of a dam, any dam, was only a dream. Diameter and approximately 4,000 feet long, the 4 tunnels took 2 years to complete. Some of the equipment was beyond the capacity of American highways and railroads. The pipes that would carry water from the reservoir to the generators were so large they could not be shipped, so a manufacturing plant was created to build them at the site. An infrastructure of highways, railroad tracks, and power lines had to be created to move men and materials from outlying areas to the dam site. On a river, it could cover the entire state of Pennsylvania to the depth of 1 foot. But held behind Hoover Dam, it is a life-giving source for communities throughout the Southwest. On its way to meet downstream needs, thousands of gallons of water per second flow from Lake Mead through the dam's 17 giant turbines, producing clean, non-polluting hydroelectric power. Hoover Dam produces almost 4.5 billion kilowatt hours of electricity each year, enough to serve the needs of over 1 million people. The sale of this power has repaid the entire cost of constructing Hoover Dam, and continues to fund the yearly operating and maintenance costs as well.
Cool tunnels and stuff where they used to divert.
All right, welcome in, folks. Get started on your photos, please. You have until I am done talking for all of your photos. Thank you.
He's serious about that. Oh yeah, the big turbine room. Sweet. Something makes it go. This is it. This is it. Those things are awesome. It's actually working room. That's where it all happens.
Please don't get stuck at the door, folks. We got more contrasts created by Hoover Dam. In front of you, mankind bending nature to make some light in the dark. And what is...
Yes, that's the bridge we were on when we first started. That'd be a heck of a jump, huh? I've seen pictures where some of the goats were actually on the side of the concrete walls because there's like little divots. They don't need much to stand on. I don't know. Should be goats. This is the water side. Get those blockers so boats can't come on that side. That's where the water used to be, way up there. It says it's at 30% capacity. It looks a little more than that, but they say these pipes here, water used to be all up in here. Last 20 years it's been slowly going down. Well, that was a cool visit of the Hoover Dam. Lots of things to see. We didn't do the Mac Daddy tour. We just wanted to do a regular tour, which is $15 and per person, and then $10 to park over there. You can actually park on this side, where I'm at now, for free. So there's lots of parking down there and different places. You can park on this side for free. Actually make it a free visit if you wanted to. Just want to go across or something. But I was disappointed there weren't any real exhibits that you could go into for free. They had a somewhat of a visitor center, but it was only basically, let me charge you for a ticket and get you on a tour. So I didn't see any other displays, or maybe there isn't, I just missed them, I don't know. Anyway, be sure to like and subscribe, and if you're here in the area and near Hoover Dam, come on down. It's definitely one of those things you want to see. For me, it was like a top 10 thing I wanted to do while I was in the U.S. So come down and visit. But as I said, be sure to like, subscribe, and tell us to your friends. So I'm just out here living. We're just out here living the coolest life. Travel edition.